morning. Rabba shake and die. Sit upon us, God. Mighty God. Sit upon us this morning.
Class.
Oh! Somebody, he needs some milk.
What's up, guys? Boss Honest coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
But as usual, guys, right before getting tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican for sure. Yo, right into it. Mom, show like me. No itching. We'll get right in the video now. Kiss it back one. Well on. No where I'm that. Oh my God.
Oh! Somebody, he needs some.
In a mass them where we are buy where them say about $100 for 3. Miss Sinus, what's happening right here?
$100 for 5.
$100 for 5?
Yeah.
Me I stop my them. Me I go buy 2 boxes and wrap around my head. That not go work, I'm worried. You know see what in there?
No, it's a replay.
What you say?
Replay.
Hold on. Let me replay it again, I couldn't see it. Hold on. I could see it again.
Oh, I see him there.
See you in the corner. Watch it. I'm stressed out. What? Brother, what that?
Oh, I man them see him in there.
What that?
Something.
You know, say.
The man them see him in there.
Yeah.
Spray. Oh.
I mean, could see, say, you know, say,
I
know the first time I hear somebody say things in their mask.
Yeah, I've been hearing.
That's why I buy my filter mask so my sinus not like it, but it bad.
But you know what,
It ugly. It ugly, but it bad. Alright then, peeps. Next video now. I could play it and see what I go on.
Can't believe the people them are go against God. Look on the line for go get vaccinated. And we used to think Jamaica was a firm place. Jamaica is a weak place. People are weak. People are weak. People are weak at Jamaica, you know see it. Them a line up to accept Lucifer chip. Them a line up. Watch people a line up to take the devil's chip. And see them, the people has turned them back against Christ. People has turned them back against the Almighty. Right? People them a worship the devil and not God. See the line that we go in there. Right? In the chamber. See the car them park up. The people them have turned them.
Alright peeps, you see that? Yo. Everybody, a lot of people are debating, especially Christians, are saying that the vaccine is Lucifer chip, which is the mark 666. A lot of people are saying nah, yes, or so. I don't know, Miss Sinus. What go on? What do you think? Yo, in my opinion, still, I don't think the vaccine is Lucifer chip. Still, you know what I mean? That's not it. Them did say the same thing about when you go high school. I usually call that thing there. Again, when you go high school, immunization too. You know what I mean? It's a risk. The vaccine is a risk because a lot of people still die, especially from the Delta. But everybody know why them take it. For some people, why they take the vaccine is because they might go travel and so go overseas and based on the direction that I see the world I go right now, everybody, even soon, I feel it going become mandatory still. People have to take the vaccine and thing. You know? I feel so this it will go still. But anyway, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Let's go. Alright, peeps. Next video now.
Hi, my name is Kaylin Gidget, and this is my grandmother.
Pastor Pam.
And thank you for giving me a chance to interview for this $10,000 scholarship.
She gonna give it in Jesus' name.
The prompt question was, who inspires me and who I look up to, and it's my grandmother. And that's because she's a pastor. But before she got saved by Jesus and gave her life to Christ, she used to be a prostitute. Well, my papa told me.
Your damn life in the motherfucking present. This ain't no school shit.
My papa told me she used to be a prostitute.
You're just damn bring your ass here.
And she
I never fucking been a present. I was a virgin when I was back.
she used to. He said he had to save her from standing on the side of the street selling her sweets. And
That's a damn lie.
I really want this money because she is in debt with her pimp, and she has to pay.
Motherfucker pimp.
Yeah.
Now look. This ain't no school shit.
Yes, stop cursing.
Wait.
Stop cursing.
You calling me a prostitute?
Stop cursing. Mama, it's the truth.
I ain't never been a prostitute.
You have. Stop cursing.
What is how you spell prostitute? How you spell it?
It's okay. And
oh, y'all pranking my black ass.
you messing me up for real. And now I gotta cut all this out. I gotta restart this part. My papa had saved her from off the street, but she really stopped being a prostitute and got touched her because she said she got tired of sleeping with so many people.
That's a damn lie. I ain't never slept no motherfucker.
Mama, stop cursing.
Don't do that to me. I ain't never been a fucking prostitute or nigga in my life.
It's the truth.
That ain't no motherfucking truth. You weren't even born. You don't know what the fuck I did.
My papa told me you used to be a prostitute.
Oh, shit.
He had told me you used to be a prostitute.
Dollar, burn your ass here.
That's how he met you.
Dollar!
Keep going. Mama, stop.
Stop my ass.
I gotta cut all this out. There's so much editing. And
How you gonna get $10,000 for this shit? Lying.
I'm not lying. You just don't want these people to know that she was.
I'll tell them bitches.
You just don't want. You just don't want.
What's wrong with you?
You doing all that cursing. You see the top of this video. You just don't want people.
What?
You just don't want them people to know that she was on the side selling your sweets. Before
I ain't got no fucking sweet. I got a jello.
You was the best prostitute in town because
You the best fucking liar.
you was the best prostitute in town. My papa.
You're a lie.
Because of your big old booty.
Yeah. Big booty. I didn't have no booty when I was
Papa.
young.
Yeah, he's
Don't open that damn door, Charlie.
Listen,
Open the damn door before I shoot in that motherfucker. Open the door.
her pimp used to hit her upside the head with a frying pan, but
What?
my
What
papa
pimp?
came and saved her, and she gave her life to Christ, and now she's.
Dollar! Come here. All this bullshit. I don't like this kind of shit. I'm a Christian.
Mama.
I'm a Christian. And so you said that you had to get me off the street because I was prostituted.
You was. You ain't got to tell no stories.
What do prostituted mean?
Prostitute when you got a pimp and you know what it was. You was doing it.
No, you pimping.
That's why.
You prostituting.
And I really want to help her get out of debt with her pimp because, you know.
Ma'am, that's a damn lie. Whatever she telling y'all, don't give her no fucking scholarship because she lying.
I'm not.
She lying.
I'm not telling
She
you.
lying. Now you can come do my rap. Come check me out.
And,
Come check my reputation out. I used to fight asses. I fight.
Yeah, you're right. You used to be on there fighting them pimps. That's
No,
what
I ain't
you
never
do.
seen a pimp a day in my life.
Mama. But
Girl, this ain't no school fucking shit.
it's stop cursing.
I believe it's a motherfucking prank.
I feel like she
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Oh!
Hey, girl, let me talk to you.
Release it.